My kids came and said, "Oh, mommy, we've been seeing a particular meal online and we want you to make it for us." And I asked, "What is that? Your mommy is ready to make it for you." And they told me plantain boats. And here is me making plantain boats. So I'm just going to be using 3 plantain. I have 3 kids, anyways. So I'm just going to salt this, then go ahead and fry it. When I am done frying it, then I'm going to make the sauce for this plantain boat. And for the sauce, I'm going to be using beef, hot dog, bell peppers, egg, and just spice everything up. So I'm going to make an incision on this plantain and stuff this sauce into the incision, and that is what plantain boat is all about. So it's not so difficult to make. It's something you can make for your kids on weekends or even take to school, just to make their meal different and unique. So this is one of the comfort food you can actually make for your family and friends, or even in events or any form of outing. It is crowd pleasing and it is something you would love.